In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload template to Getresponse. To begin, log into your Getresponse account and make sure you are on the main dashboard. The goal here is to upload an email template so it is saved inside your account and ready to use in future campaigns. Before you start, it helps to have your template file prepared. If you are uploading a zip file, confirm it is a standard zip archive and that it contains the correct HTML file and any images or assets the template needs. Keeping file names simple and organized can prevent missing images later. Once you are ready, go to the top navigation and open Tools. From there, choose Email Marketing. This takes you to the section where you can manage messages, templates, and related assets. Next, find the area for templates and click My Templates, then choose Create Template. This is where you tell Getresponse how you want to build or import your design. Since you are bringing in an existing template, you will not use the drag-and-drop designer. Instead, select the HTML editor. The HTML editor is designed for custom templates and gives you options to import your code directly. After you enter the HTML editor, choose the import method that matches what you have. You will see two options: upload from zip or paste from code. If your template is packaged as a zip file with supporting images, select upload from zip. If you only have the raw HTML code, select paste from code and place your code into the editor carefully, making sure nothing is missing. For uploading, drag and drop your zip file into the upload area. Wait a moment while Getresponse processes the file. If the platform flags an issue, double-check that the zip is not nested inside another zip and that the main HTML file is included at the correct level. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your template will now appear in My Templates, ready to select the next time you create an email. That covers everything you need to know.